What are you doing?
I'm gonna smash the spice grinder.
On the handicap guy? That's cruel.
Little Kill Bill action. Hey, this thing's pretty tough. Try it. Alright, Murray, just pass me the camera. It's your turn. Thing's pretty fucking tough.
Built to last. What is it? It's a magical after all, right?
It is magical. It's magically
It's
indestructible.
going that way.
Thing is tough.
Oh shit. We
Pack your fucking truck
We should
over.
have sent it to the Will It Blend people. I'm over it. I just want to smoke.
No, smash. Fuck did it go? Oh, how do you kill that thing? We need the can opener thing again.
Yeah, right?
It's gonna blow up in my hand.
Exactly. All right, check it out.